If a scientist has an unknown substance, how would they find out what it was? They would need to test for both the cations and the anions present. Here we will describe the positive tests for these cations using aqueous sodium hydroxide and aqueous ammonia. First, solutions of each solid unknown are prepared with distilled water. And each of these solutions is then split into two portions. A white precipitate on the addition of aqueous sodium hydroxide indicates a positive result for aluminium. The precipitate dissolves when an excess of sodium hydroxide is added. A white precipitate is also observed on the addition of aqueous ammonia. The precipitate is insoluble in excess. A white precipitate is observed for calcium on the addition of aqueous sodium hydroxide. No precipitate should be observed when aqueous ammonia is added. However, a slight precipitate might be observed. A green precipitate, which is insoluble in excess when aqueous sodium hydroxide is added, indicates the presence of iron 2. The same result is observed with aqueous ammonia. A red-brown precipitate, which is insoluble in excess when aqueous sodium hydroxide is added, indicates the presence of iron 3. The same result is observed with aqueous ammonia. These experiments were for identifying the cations present in unknown solids and describe the tests and the observations for each.